How to track your expenses like a pro, simple steps for financial success. Do you ever wonder where your money goes each month? 1 minute, you feel like you have enough cash, and the next, it's all gone. Let's learn how to track your expenses like a pro, so you can take control of your money and start saving more. The first step in managing your money is understanding where it's being spent. Tracking your expenses might sound boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. Once you know where your money goes, you can find ways to save and budget smarter. Tip 1. Start by tracking your daily expenses. Write down every single purchase you make in a day, no matter how small. Whether it's a cup of coffee, lunch, or an online subscription, list everything. You can use a simple notebook or a mobile app. The goal is to build the habit of tracking your spending. Don't skip this step, even if it feels tedious at first. Tip 2. Use expense tracking apps. There are so many free apps that make it easy to track your expenses. Apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, or PocketGuard can automatically categorize your spending and help you see where your money is going. These apps can send you reminders and alerts, making tracking your expenses almost effortless. Tip 3. Categorize your expenses. Break down your expenses into categories like food, transportation, rent, entertainment, and savings. This way, you can quickly see where you're overspending. For example, if you notice you're spending a lot on takeout, you might decide to cook more at home to save money. Tip 4. Differentiate between needs and wants. We all love treating ourselves, but it's important to know the difference between a need and a want. Needs are essentials like rent, groceries, and utility bills. Wants are the extras, like that new pair of shoes or an expensive dinner out. By recognizing your wants, you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and save more. Scene 7. Chart of monthly expenses. Tip 5. Review your spending weekly. Once you've tracked your expenses for a week, sit down and review them. Look for patterns and areas where you might be able to cut back. Doing this weekly instead of monthly helps you stay on top of your budget and make changes quickly if needed. Tip 6. Set savings goals. Tracking your expenses isn't just about seeing where your money goes, it's about planning where you want it to go. Set clear savings goals, like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation. This will keep you motivated to stay on track. In no time, you'll notice a big difference in how much money you're able to save just by tracking your expenses. It's one of the easiest yet most powerful tools for taking control of your personal finances. Start today. Grab a notebook, download an app, and take the first step towards smarter spending. Remember, you're not just tracking numbers, you're building better habits for a better financial future.